What's up, teachers? Today we're going to learn how students can submit their Sketchpad artwork to Google Classroom. When students view your assignment, they'll review the instructions and then click on the Sketchpad link to get started. Students work with Sketchpad, and when they're finished, they download their image as a JPEG file for submission. If students are using a Chromebook, they can save their image directly to their Google Drive for easy attachment. Students submit their image to the Google Classroom assignment by clicking Add and then selecting Google Drive or File. Students can then select their drawing file from their computer or directly from their Google Drive. Clicking Upload attaches the image to the assignment. Once all files are attached and the assignment is ready, students click the Turn In button to submit their work. Back in the teacher view of Google Classroom, you can review all student submissions. Click on a thumbnail to open a student's artwork in the built-in viewer. Provide a grade for the student and leave a private comment if needed. Students will be notified their work has been returned and can view their grade and feedback on the assignment page. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for tips on using Sketchpad with Google Classroom.